What's up, you guys? You might be able to see I'm at the airport Malpensa in Milan. I was about to go to Sicily and big mistake with the check-in system. Anyway, change of plans. Fortunately, I was able to find another flight that was leaving later that afternoon. It did cut into the time I was able to spend in Sicily, which was unfortunate since it was already going to be a pretty quick trip. The flight went really fast and I was able to arrive and meet up with Livingbobby. Bobby has a channel with over 1.3 million subscribers. He does a great job talking about food and travel experiences. I was grateful he asked me to come along for the ride as we were headed off to Sambuca of Sicily in the heart of Sicily. This was my first time meeting someone who runs a successful YouTube channel, so I picked his brain quite a bit and we just had a great conversation as we drove about an hour to reach Sambuca. Sambuca is an ancient town with a lot of heritage, and we would soon discover how much the people of Sambuca love their community. Film for sale. Bobby's gonna buy this one.
I'm buying that home.
I definitely enjoyed making a video with someone with such a positive attitude and love for life. I really like this kind of vicolo ricchio. So I've seen this in video or photo before. It didn't look like this last time. You might remember Meredith Tabone from my channel when I interviewed her in the spring. She allowed us into her property, and it was pretty cool because she actually bought a €1 home in addition to the property next door, and she's expanding. And her architect Giuseppe showed us all around explaining what Meredith's intentions were. Oh, ok, quindi la divisione è qua.
Quello è qua prima il limite della casa.
€1, not €1. €1, not €1. Scusami, facendo queste case, in altri paesi se togli l'intonaco c'è il pietra sotto. Qui in Sambuca si può fare?
In quella antica sì.
I was asking if a lot of the time when they scratch off this exterior, like on the outside and even on the inside, but they said in the old building, yes, this is stone. And if you take off the plaster, you would see stones.
Really?
È tufo?
Tufo, Santa Renita rossa.
Ok.
Red stone.
It's a red stone. Abbiamo visto altri.
Sì, perfetto.
Ok. Yeah. Ma Meredith vuole fare questo o no? It's beautiful to see what they've done with the upstairs portion. They've given it a wood aesthetic, which is pretty common for these types of properties. With these large wood beams and wood panels, it has a much cleaner look than previously. They even took advantage of the window in the top corners and opened them up a little bit to let in more light for this upper area. It's really turning out beautiful. È molto più bella delle sue foto su Instagram. Lei ha pubblicato quando avete aperto le finestre.
Sì, che c'è.
Ma voi avete fatto questo o era
sì,
così?
l'intonaco, questo è l'intonaco.
Ma l'hai messo voi?
Sì, è una preparazione per il bianco.
Ah, ok.
Questo è antico, questo è antico.
Sì, si vede. Questo la lascia così o se deve il bianco?
Sì, lo lasceremo a faccia vista.
Benissimo.
Questa è edilizia minore, vedi? Antecedente. 100 anni fa. Pietre, perché non c'erano i denari per comprare i blocchi.
Ok.
Quindi si costruiva con le pietre.
Ok.
Vedi,
Sì.
la linea delle pietre, poi l'evoluzione.
Interessante. Erano piccoli prima.
Piccole pietre, perché si trovavano queste.
Sì. This dark little corner used to be the kitchen. In the kitchen, you can see the stone wall as it was constructed. Yeah,
This is so crazy.
this is pretty cool. This is the new portion of the roof that they just installed.
Got it. Okay.
Before it was like an asbestos material.
Got it.
Amianto prima, no? Sì. They made the new beams and they put some wood. I'm thinking in Italian instead.
No, it's okay.
Anyway,
So what are they going to do anything at this rooftop here? Like other than the terrace?
Qui è tutto posto o c'è ancora da fare qua?
C'è da rifinire, da mettere delle
Questi angoli?
Sì, questi angoli.
Metallo?
Sì.
Okay.
In modo che
They're going to put a metal skirting around it.
e poi la goccia fuori.
Okay, so that the water goes down. After our tour, we decided to hit the town and walk the streets and experience more of the culture. Bobby spent his time interviewing people in the community in this little piazza. It was quite fun, and I can't wait to go back. I'm actually starting to get pretty fond of this little community.
We got a secret insider look of the 2 euro homes.
Yeah, we got an inside look.
Some here. Oh yeah. Okay. Nice view.
I'm going.
Beautiful. You're going in.
Oh wow, look at that roof though.
Yeah. That. How old is this house?
Quanto? I don't know. Sono andati via. They left.
They left.
Okay. Well, the question is, does it have a view? Because that changes a lot. Not necessarily like the most beautiful places, but già venduto.
Sì, è passata. Sì. È in vendita questa.
In vendita? Before leaving Sambuca, Giuseppe, who was the vice mayor, who was also an architect, set us up with a previous project of his with a German family that was visiting the area during that period. They let us into their home, they showed us all around, and it was fun to tour and see what a property could turn into. Now, this property wasn't a one-euro home at any point, but a lot of these properties are in similar conditions. It was more like a ruin than a habitable zone before they purchased it, and now it turned into this. They were very hospitable, and we stayed the evening until it was time to head home. We are about to leave Sambuca. Unfortunate
So sad.
again. Yeah, right?
It's been so amazing being here in Sambuca. Like Sambuca is, it's a place that has energy like I've never felt before. Like everybody in the street was just screaming at the architects and stuff. Hey, come here! Stop! Like everybody stopped their cars. It was amazing.
You should have seen him, honestly. He was,
so
like
cool.
a little kid at Christmas.
It was so.
Instead of staying in Sambuca, we had early flights, so we headed back towards Palermo and stayed in this clean and stylish B&B. I wish I had gotten photos of the upstairs atrium where you eat breakfast, because that really was a special feature. The host of this property puts extra care into the baked goods that he makes for breakfast. If you ever have a chance to stay in Palermo, definitely check out this bed and breakfast right near the Palermo Airport. It's about a 15-minute drive, though it looks to be about a 2-minute walk from looking at the map. Go ahead and check that out. The link you can find in the description below. They invited me back. They invited him back. They have more one-euro houses coming up. We learned a lot about the previous ones, but the new ones are not yet published. And that's because of, obviously, nobody can come. 2-euro houses, they're coming out, but they are waiting till people can actually travel to publicize it. So you're not missing out on anything. You've got time. So anyway, peace out, everybody. Say bye, Bobby.
Peace.